Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and from here we're gonna scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and from here you want to select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will give us a list of items that this process removes, so quickly going over some of them. The more important ones will be things like the music, photos, and user data. The rest of the things, the first three things that are listed there, are just cloud stored, so they don't really matter. You can remove them and regain them without much problem. But anything that is being stored locally on your device, like music, photos, and user data, once that's removed, there is no real way of getting it back. So if you want to keep any of these things, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made the copy, or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed further by selecting Erase All Data. Do so once more, and this will begin formatting your device. This process will take several minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.